Thobile Makhumalo umseleko.
Khwela.
Ukugibela esihlahleni wenzani? Ukhwelani? Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Makhwela.
What is that? Is it a word or what is this? You said a word. Is that a word?
Yeah, makhwela, a word makhwela.
Sikhweleni guys, ngisho ukuthi. Ngisho ukuthi guys ke chafa ke.
Malale radio guys. Guys, malale radio. No, she didn't.
How you said I must say the first thing that comes into my mind. Kusho ukuthi siyakhwela.
This is a gospel show. Siyakhala.
Ukhwela angisho gibela.
Yes.
Hey.
I'm with you.
Yes.
Trust me, I'm with you.
Okay, gospel ihlanganaphi? Because ukhwela like ngikhwela emthini andisho